हाय गाइज, रियल घोस्ट कैसा होता है तुम लोगों को इस वीडियो में देख के पता चलेगा, क्योंकि मुझे भी नहीं पता रियल घोस्ट कैसा दिखता है। तो हम लोग इस वीडियो में देखेंगे रियल घोस्ट। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
So for this episode, we received a report from a 19-year-old girl named Kayla. Kayla lives with her dad, and she says that he works in the basement of their house. She also says weird things have
ये कहानी खेला नाम की एक लड़की की
like
है।
screaming and scratching noises coming from the basement. She sent us this video for proof.
बेसमेंट में भाई भूत रहता है।
She hasn't gone in the basement since she took that video, and that her dad now locks the basement door. Currently, Kayla's dad is on a trip, and she's home alone. So today we're going to drive out to her house and try to find out what's going on. Let's go. Bro, that video actually scared me.
उस लड़की का पिता टहलने गया है कहीं
He needs to hide from his daughter. Yeah, I know her dad deserves his privacy, but we need to find out
और
what's
वो
going
भूत
on.
भाई बेसमेंट में रहता है।
We're walking into. Alright, this looks like the
ये
place.
लोग जा रहे हैं
This
अब
place,
भूत
alright.
को देखने के लिए उस घर पर।
Alright, I'm nervous. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Bro, is this the right place?
लगता है यही उस लड़की का घर है।
Is that her? Hi, Kayla. Nice to meet you. Yeah, can we come in and talk? Okay, thank you.
यही लड़की भाई खेला जिसके घर पे
Okay,
भूत है।
Kayla, thank you for letting us sit down.
तुम
with
लोग
you.
आके खोल के देखो।
Okay, so can you explain to us more what's been going on?
I think there's something moving down there.
You think there's something in the basement?
Yeah. I hear things moving down there. And last night, I thought there was something in my room, under my bed.
What? I mean, not to be rude, but it seems like you sound a little bit paranoid. Why do you think that they've been coming into your room?
Last night, I got these marks, and I found them on my body.
What is it? What kind of mark is this?
Are those bite marks?
Is there a bite mark? I don't know.
I don't know.
भाई काट लिया भूत ने।
Yeah.
Don't jump to any conclusions yet. You know, that could just be a scratch from something on your bed.
One more thing. I saw something in my closet.
भूत काटने कब से लगे यार?
And I suddenly started
मैं तो सोच रहा था डराते हैं
I
सिर्फ।
swear I saw something crawling out of there.
चलो देखते हैं, अभी दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा।
Are you sure that this wasn't just some sort of dream?
I don't know. I've just been feeling kind of sick lately.
This is kind of freaky. I want to see what's going on in the basement.
Yeah, Caleb, what's your dad's job? Why is he working in the basement?
He said he was a surgeon, but I've never seen him work in the hospital, only in the basement.
What? That doesn't make any sense.
ये लड़की भाई आदमियों की सर्जरी करती है, ये सर्जन है।
We're going to be here all night. We're going to set up cameras so we can watch what's going on. Just go to sleep like you normally do. We'll be waiting in the car, watching these cameras, seeing if we can find anything. Okay?
Okay.
Just like relax for tonight. Let's get to work.
All right.
ये लोग इस
check out that
लड़की के घर
basement.
में कैमरा लगाना चाहते हैं, जिससे ये लोग देख सके अपनी गाड़ी में बैठ के कि घर के अंदर क्या चल रहा है।
Put this camera here to watch the basement door. So you want to try to put a camera in the basement?
Yeah. Open it.
Bro, it's locked from the inside.
It can't be, dude.
Bro, there's a passcode.
What the hell? All right, whatever. I guess we can't put a camera in the basement.
There, we got one there. It's fine. Okay, let's just put a camera in Kayla's room. Hi, Kayla. Can we put a camera in your room?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna go out to the car. Just go to sleep like normal. Hopefully, we'll talk in the morning.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Bro, something's feeling really off about this place.
Yeah, it's fine. Just go to the car. Let's go.
All right.
अब देखते हैं भाई क्या भूत आता है कि नहीं आता है।
Alright, so we're waiting in the car right now. We got the cameras set up, watching them on our phone. We got one watching the hallway, one watching the basement door, and we got one in Kayla's room.
Dude, that basement door is locked. I don't know what we're really expecting here.
Well, let's just wait and see. I mean, you can chill out and go to sleep. I'll wake you up if I see anything.
All right.
अभी तो यार सब नॉर्मल है, कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है इसमें। ओह गाइस, ओ गाइस कैमरा तो बंद हो गया, अब कैसे पता चलेगा? ये तो 4 पैरों वाला भूत गाइस। ओह नो,
Yo, wake up.
रात 2:18
One of the cameras is
मिनट।
on the ground.
Probably just fell.
But how would it get on the ground?
I don't know, dude.
Check
It
the other
just
one.
fell.
Check the other ones.
Dude, what is he doing?
What's coming out of her mouth?
We gotta go in, bro. Let's go. Let's go inside, okay? Let's go. Let's go.
Dude, we don't know what he's doing. Wait, this is freaking me out. What is that thing? We gotta go. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it?
ओ गाइस भूत के सामने से ये लोग लड़की को उठा लाए गाइस।
Let's go.
What's wrong with her, dude?
Let's go.
Come on, let's go. We gotta get out of here, dude. We gotta get out of here. What the hell was that thing?
I don't know.
Let's go, dude. Drive.
Oh, yeah.
Drive.
Do you feel okay? Are you feeling okay?
We're gonna get you somewhere safe.
Okay, yeah, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta get out of here.
ओ गाइस इन लोगों ने किलाया को बचा लिया। किलाया के हाउस में भाई पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटी थी। तो गाइस आज का वीडियो आप लोगों को कैसा लगा कमेंट में बताओ, और अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दो। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, बाय।